Welcome friends. Now we are going to discuss about tax and types of taxes. A tax is a compulsory fee or financial charge levied by any government on an individual or an organization to collect revenue. See friends, basically tax is a compulsory fee or financial charge which is charged or which is levied by government on an individual or an organization to run the administration of the government. Broadly, these taxes are classified as direct taxes and indirect taxes, right? Direct taxes are those taxes which are imposed on the income and profit of an individual or the organization. And indirect taxes are those taxes which are generally charged or levied on goods and services. So this is the first point of distinction between direct tax and indirect tax. That is, direct taxes are imposed on income and profit of the person or the organization, and indirect taxes are charged or levied on the goods and services. It means when we buy goods or services, at that time we have to pay the indirect taxes, right? Now let us move on the next point of distinction between direct tax and indirect tax, and that is direct tax are directly paid to the government by a person or the organization who is liable to pay that taxes. See friends, one more time. Direct taxes are those taxes which are directly paid to the government by the person or the organization who is liable to pay those taxes. And indirect taxes are basically collected by intermediary like trader or service provider, and then those taxes are paid to the government. It means first tax is collected by trader or service provider, and then that tax is deposited to the government, right? This is very important point of distinction between direct tax and indirect tax. You have to clear this point. See, for one more time, direct taxes are directly paid to the government by the person or the organization who is liable to pay the taxes, right? Like suppose I am liable to pay the income tax. In that case, I have to pay that income tax directly to the government, right? But in case of indirect taxes, these taxes are collected by traders or service provider, and then those taxes are paid to the government. Like suppose we buy a product. In that case, we have to pay whatever tax on that product is to that trader, and then trader pays that tax to the government, right? Same thing is with like services. If you go to the hotel and you order food, or if there is a GST on those foods, you have to pay that GST to that hotelier, and then that hotelier will pay that GST to the government, right? So basically indirect taxes are collected by intermediaries like uh, traders and service provider, and then those taxes are paid to the government, right? Income tax, property tax, gift tax, these are the examples of direct taxes. Whereas GST is one of the important example of indirect tax. We know that sales tax, VAT, service tax, all these tax are merged under the single tax, that is GST. Excise duty, customs duty, these are also other examples of indirect taxes. I hope now the concept of direct tax and indirect tax is clear. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends, and make sure that you have subscribed the channel so that you can get update about the next videos. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching.